Greeting everyone. In this video we will fix the formulas on Excel that it is not working. So there is some easy trick to deal with. First I have an example this. So there is no equal that is not working at all. So let's go to the file, option, then I will go to formula, the first thing that you need to do, and then automatic. Make it as automatic, then press OK. Second thing, please focus on this area. It will be text formula, so that doesn't accept any equal things or so on. So switch between text to general, and then in the equal, please focus that there is no other symbol there or something. So make it as an equal, press enter, and it is worked and it is solved and it is easy to deal with. So make this to general and make formulas to automatically, and then please review the equation that you are typing in, that there is no other symbol, only equal as the first one, then press OK. So that's it. Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe.